Hey folks, Nicoletta here, age 28, has lived with the benign tumor all her life, which covers her left eye completely and affects her vision. She is set to undergo surgery to cut the growth, but doctors first need to reduce its size using chemicals to prevent any blood loss during the operation. This young lady from a small village in northeast Romania has been forced to live as a recluse due to the constant ridicule she gets. She says people in her village often judge her and make cruel comments, and that surgery would transform her life. Buried deep within the tumor is her eyeball, surrounded by malformed vessels which are connected to her jaw and cheek, and these could burst. The plastic surgeon said, "It's impossible to cut the tumor off." Instead, the medical team will first seek to reduce the tumor by injecting chemical agents directly into it, which will make it smaller and easier to operate on. Once the team of doctors feel the tumor is a more manageable size, they will then begin to surgically remove it from Nicoletta's face. Bodybuilders take protein to build muscle, and people take vitamin C to help prevent colds. Your brain is the most complex structure in the body, but it is probably lacking specific nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Brain Gains gives you those essential nutrients and helps with memory and focus. It's an advanced multivitamin designed to support healthy cognitive ability. Check out the Amazon link below and try Brain Gains for yourself. It will boost your energy, clear out the fog, and help your memory.